Hello, Paul Hamilton here. In our last tutorial, we looked at creating this beautiful visual data, graph or infographic. And what I've done here is actually imported it or embedded it in Book Creator, because we can do that now. So this is a great little activity to get students using Book Creator to reflect on data or a range of different files you might have created or found online and so on. So once again, it's really, really easy to do. You just hit the plus at the top, the more down the bottom, and you can see there that I've actually saved my Keynote file to my file system, so I've been able to bring it in. So when the students need to kind of reflect on it, they simply, when they press play in the book, they can open up that data and you can see that there, and they can flick through the Keynote or whatever actually it is. So just look, a great way of embedding some of the work that you do with other apps into Book Creator. And once again, one of the beauties about this is I could actually add an audio for my students that struggle with their literacy and would rather present or reflect on the data through an audio recording or a pencil drawing or whatever it is. So that's just a great way of using Book Creator and combining some of the apps that you use with some of the other work that you do in the classroom. Paul Hamilton here, signing off.